Artificial intelligence, the future of AI. Here the agenda is artificial intelligence objectives, artificial intelligence value chain element, logic and rule-based approaches, potential use case of AI in healthcare, artificial intelligence in various sectors. In artificial intelligence objectives, we have achieve the objectives, boost the performance, use smart digital systems, AI investment sectors, AI growth in worldwide, artificial intelligence key statistics. 77% devices use some form of AI. 35% businesses have adopted AI. 69% companies support AI in top priority. Core area of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence value chain element. Artificial intelligence development phase. Artificial intelligence approaches. Logic and rule-based approaches. There are 4 types of machine learnings. Artificial narrow and artificial general intelligence both have their unique statistics. Challenges in adoption of AI. Potential use case of AI in healthcare. Machine learning use cases. Artificial intelligence in various sectors. Artificial intelligence components. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch the full video, means you have liked some of the content. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel so I can bring this type of informative videos in future.